So in this video, we will discuss what is version control. First of all, why version control is needed. As you know, early techniques of doing backup of project includes unnecessarily redundant steps, such as when we want to only store a single changed file itself, then we always need to do a whole project backup. Then there is another disadvantage of previous backup systems, which is we are unable to revert back to previous state of code very much quickly and easily. And of course, collaborating with multiple developers is more difficult and a nasty task than as compared with VCS. So advantages of VCS. We can easily jump back to the previous versions of our project. It only takes backup of changed files by tracking file changes we make during development. You can have remote repositories and then use that remote repos to develop projects with other developers remotely instead of having local repository on your machine. Now what is repository? It is nothing but a software package. It is a storage location for software packages. A software repository or repo for short is a storage location for software packages. A software repository is typically managed by source or version control or repository managers. A software repository is a central place to keep resources that users can pull or push when necessary. So what is Git? Git is a software, a command line tool. It is installed locally on the system. Git is focused on version control and code sharing. Repositories in Git contain a collection of files of various different versions of a project. So we manage our repository with the help of command line tool Git. Now what is GitHub? People often confuse Git with GitHub. GitHub is a hosting service for Git repositories. It has graphical user interface. It is hosted on web. It includes a free tier and pay for use tier. So in the next video, we will create our Android Studio project. Then we will create repository of that project, a GitHub repository of that project, and we will see some important functions of version control system such as push, pull, revert, etc.